Uy, beach. Work ba to or holiday? So this is a project we've done for a 3-star hotel in Boracay. So what we're looking at is their food court. Nag-supply tayo ng exhaust system, fresh air system. So we also did the fire suppression system, gas line system, and gas leak detection system here. This is the big ducting that connects the main kitchen to the food court. Kasi sa food court, meron din mangyayaring mga pagluluto dyan. We happen to be with our family here actually, as you can see. Nagpabakasyon lang kasi kami nito nun sa Boracay, and yung hotel namin malapit sa project. And of course, we are proud of this project. And so we brought them here to give them a little tour. Thankfully, familiar naman sila ate and kuya guard sa atin. So they let us in and they allowed us to tour the place. So this is a full kitchen setup at marami silang in-order na gamit sa atin. I'm going to try naming a few of them. So we have different sizes of stainless range hoods. Ito yung isang mahaba. Meron na rin yung fire suppression. Tabi-tabing mga burners, high and low pressure magkakasama dyan. We have the gas line. The ducting for the exhaust and fresh air system. Range hood, ang mga tables, prep tables, working tables, mga lutuan, griller, griddle. Marami kasi it's a big kitchen. As mentioned in the food court, they will also be cooking there. So ayan, they are still wrapped in plastic but also covered in dust because when we delivered them, construction was still ongoing. But the client already gave us a go signal to deliver. So our tour is done at mukhang tapos na rin sila. So ano pa nga ba ang next? Picture time!